Well, as in my last video, I was kind of undecided if I should lower my charger or not, but as you can see, I have ordered the Eibach, and this is a little unboxing. I decided to go ahead and go with the Pro Kit, and here we go. Got the springs. I just came from my mechanic, talking to him, getting the price. We agreed on it. I'm gonna drop it off and get it done. Now, one of my concerns was stance. And so this is the second part of the unboxing. I ordered the SPC 66050 camber bushings. I've done my homework and found that I may or may not need these bushings, but since I'm getting it done, I may as well have all the products that I need. And this is the bushings that go to the rear, which would allow you to alter the angle and keep your wheel straight. In correct terminology, camber. In other words, sometimes when you lower your car, your wheel will tilt a little and kind of poke out at the bottom, depending on how low you go and what kind of kit you have. So these will allow your wheel to stay straight and upright, where they will wear even instead of uneven in the corner and have you buying tires sooner than you wanted to. Okay?